Hello, Tiffany. This is Cheryl. I'm going to show you how to do the bow. So you start with the knot on the present. And then you take the ribbon, and this is the part that wastes a lot of ribbon. So if the present's about this big, you probably want the bow to be about this big. So you have to kind of think about how big to make the bow. But I'm going to make it about this big, because about halfway, and then you can do it. So you kind of guess how big you want it, and then you fold it over. And the magic number seems to be 7 times you fold it. But
it's important to be odd.
Yes, it's important to be odd. There's no real magic number. But you have to be odd, because then it'll make your ends end up on the same side. Because if you're even, they'll be on opposite sides, and then one sticking out the top and one sticking out the bottom. So what I do is I go from the middle, and I count how many are on each side. And then you just cut it right here. Then you fold it in. Now the end part is here, right? This is the end. You leave that on the bottom. You fold it in half. Kind of make a little crease. And then you cut into the middle on both sides of the thing. So it kind of makes, see, a little cut. Do the other side. So you do both sides. And then I have some of this thin ribbon. This is actually curling ribbon, but you can do whatever you want. I cut so much, just a little bit. This is only going to tie it to the present.
That's string.
This is ribbon. It's curling ribbon. And then you tie it so the knot is on the same side as the bottom.
But it looks like string.
But it's curling ribbon.
Or balloon string.
Yes, it is balloon string. So I double knot it. So it looks like this. Now this is the part that makes the bow. You fluff up both sides. Well, you can fluff it up kind of like this, right? And then you start from the inside one, the middle one, and you pull in opposite directions, up or down. So this one I'm going to pull up. Oops, I took 2. I'll pull that one down. Pull up, and then down. Then you go to the other side. Take it, and you start from the middle. Down, up, down, up. And then you have your bow. And then you tie it to your present here with this extra string that we used, the curling ribbon. And I always double knot this too so it'll stay. And then you fluff up your bow. You kind of fix it to have it go where you want it to go. This one isn't that good. And if it looks too floppy, I just push the things out to make it more round, and then it looks better. And then you have a bow. That's it. Really easy.